Ready to make your home irresistible to buyers? Today we're going to focus on how to prepare your home for a successful sale. From decluttering to deep cleaning, discover the essential steps to make your home market ready. I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty. Making your home market ready. Getting your home market ready is crucial for a successful sale. Before considering any renovations, there are plenty of simple steps you can take to make your home more attractive and inspection ready. Set up your home to inspire offers. Your goal is to make prospective buyers see themselves living in your home. Here are some key areas to focus on. Your closets. Clean out and organize your closets to make them look spacious. Box up items you don't use often. Your clutter. Minimize clutter by boxing up things you don't need daily. Keep frequently used items accessible but hidden. Your housekeeping. Start with a deep clean. Make sure windows, fireplaces, fans, baseboards, and carpets are spotless. Keep kitchens and bathrooms especially clean. Your furniture. Rearrange or remove furniture to make rooms look more spacious and welcoming. Typically, less is more when selling. Your personal stuff. Remove personal items like family photos and unique decorations. Make the space feel neutral so buyers can envision themselves there. Your home's nose. Ensure your home smells fresh. Clean and deodorize carpets, furniture, and walls if necessary. Use scented plug-ins for minor odors. Curb appeal. Make a good first impression. Freshen up the mailbox, door hardware, lawn, and plants. Clean the driveway and porch and add new welcome mats. Breeze through inspections by taking care of basic maintenance to ensure your home passes inspections easily. Check and fix the water heater setup, smoke detectors, CO2 detectors, furnace filters, HVAC maintenance, garage door function, leaky faucets, torn screens, light bulbs, blinds and shades, and door locks and gates. Major repairs. Address issues like mold, dry rot, leaks, and termite problems before listing. If you can't afford repairs, get guaranteed estimates for buyers. What about major renovations? Deciding on major renovations like updating bathrooms or kitchen depends on various factors. Discuss with your agent to understand market trends, potential returns, costs, time involved, and family disruptions. Questions to ask your agent. How will you help me make my home market ready? What specific steps do you recommend for decluttering, cleaning, and organizing to attract buyers? What strategies do you suggest for enhancing curb appeal and making a great first impression? How do you recommend managing the home's scent during showings to keep it fresh and inviting? What basic maintenance should I complete before listing, and can you provide a checklist? How do you approach major repairs or issues like mold or leaks? Should we address them before listing or provide estimates to buyers? Conclusion. Preparing your home for sale involves more than just cleaning and fixing things. It's about creating a space where buyers can see themselves living. By taking these steps, you'll make your home more appealing and increase your chances of a successful sale. In the next and final module, we'll discuss more strategies for selling your home. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty. Authentic coastal luxury at every price point.